Hey family, welcome back to Lightworks. This is another nature read, out enjoying the beautiful air, the water, the sea. So I'm going to give you guys a quick read while we're out here and see what the Holy Spirit wants to share with us. Hopefully you guys can hear me over the wind and the water and the people. So let's see. Holy Spirit, Holy Angels, we thank you for another day. Please come in. Please allow me to channel the current energies to reveal what the collective needs to know at this time. Let there be none of me and all of you. What is the message, Holy Spirit? Passion. Okay, this is giving me the energy of fire. Okay, it says, light up your life by honoring your deepest desires. Okay, let's see what else we have. I feel like your guides are wanting you to step into your passion, whatever that may be. Let's get one more. What is the message, Holy Spirit? Whoa. Shine. Ironically, look at that. It's looking just like this water out here. Shine, okay? We have don't dim your light. The world needs your unique talents and gifts. Shine brightly. This is beautiful. This goes right along with the energy of today. Living in your passion, moving forward, not being afraid, okay? Bottom of the deck, we have growth, okay? Evolution starts when you leave your comfort zone. Get comfortable with being uncomfortable. This is a clear indication that your guides are wanting you to step out and do whatever it is that your heart is desiring, whatever God is leading you towards. You are being supported by the universe. You are being supported by the Most High God, your spirit guides and angels, okay? Take that dive. Go ahead and put your feet in the water, okay? You are being supported. Let's get a little tarot. Holy Spirit, Holy Angels, what are the messages for the collective today? What should we be aware of, Holy Spirit? What should we be aware of? 10 of coins. Whatever it is that you are desiring to work on, the universe is supporting you. The Most High is supporting you. It is going to be successful, okay? Bottom of the deck, 7 of coins, okay? This is your guides telling you that you have done the work. You've been putting it in, okay? Stop doubting yourself. You're going to be able to succeed in whatever this is that you want to do, okay? See what else they have. 7 of wands, okay? That's 7-7. You are protected. You are being guided. What else, Holy Spirit? What else, Holy Spirit? Let's get one more. Queen of Cups, okay? You have everything that you need, okay? You are loving, kind, nurturing, okay? Put that love, put that drive, put that effort into whatever this is that you're wanting to work on, whatever it is that you want to do. They want you to come out of this place of stagnancy, okay? You have been illuminated. Everything that you've been thinking about all this time is what you need to do, is how you need to move, okay? You have it. You see the enlightenment here, okay? You are aware, you are tapped in, but you need to move, okay? 2 of Wands, thank you, Holy Spirit, okay? You need to move in that direction. Let's get the final message. Queen of Swords, okay? Decisive action, strategic movement. This coupled with the Queen of Cups is going to be very balanced. It's going to be very positive, Okay, you can do this, whether you're male or female. Okay, keep that in mind. Energy is genderless. Okay, you could be a man operating in your feminine energy. Whatever it is going to be successful. Let's just get you guys one more. What do we have here? 8 of coins. Put that work in. It's time to do it. You're going to be successful. Don't doubt yourself. Okay, whatever it is, it's going to work out. All right, look what's coming up, y'all. 6 of Wands to the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, you are going to be successful. This is going to work out. Okay, this is your destiny. This is what you're meant to be doing. Don't doubt yourself. Okay, I love you guys very much. I hope you guys are enjoying your day. Peace and blessings. Until next time. Ashe. Wait, let's get a message from the archangels before I let you guys go. And of course, we have Archangel Michael on the bottom of the deck. Stand in your power, okay? Be your true self. Okay, we have, let's see here, Archangel Gabriel. Shimmer with diamond light. Express your creativity. Yes, whatever it is that you want to do, you have got this, okay? I love you guys so very much. Your angels and ancestors love you so very much. Enjoy your day. Peace and blessings. Until next time. Ashe.